I believe we're live on YouTube. And it's 7 o'clock. So I'm just waiting for Carrie to give me the okay. And we'll start our Noson Lawen.
Looks like we're good to go.
We're good to go. Hi, Carrie. How are you?
I'm all right. How are you?
I'm fine. Thanks for inviting some friends along. It's really nice. I hope they're not too unkind to us.
Fingers crossed.
Yes. Okay. Shall we go with our first item then?
Let's go.
Let's go. One of the best boroughs, one of the best borough choirs going. Yeah.
This definitely.
Rowing Bisan. That's a nice start. Plenty of tears. Welcome everyone. We're going. What a start. What a start. Fabulous. I just love that choir. I just love them to bits. So hello, everyone. Welcome to Côr Y Boro's Noson Lawen, the third one of lockdown. Hope you're going to sit back and enjoy. And those people participating, just bear with us. We're obviously inviting you into waiting rooms and so on. So just check the running order and make sure you're okay to come in. And if you choose not to, just send us a message, or I'll just assume you don't want to. Carrie, any technical things we need to worry about?
I don't think so. It seems to be working, unless anyone knows any different.
Okay, yes, we're going to have plenty of messages from people who tell us if things are too loud or too quiet. Please do. So basically, everyone, you're going to see a number of items, hopefully from all people involved with Côr Y Boro, people who love us and we love. And if you enjoy it, rather than, obviously, you can't kind of shout at us or anything, if you want to do this, that'd be great. And if you don't like us, then the sign, I think, Carrie, we agreed would be this.
Yeah.
And if you've got any questions at any point, this would do.
Yeah.
If you don't want to say anything, Carrie, I think
just
this.
that.
Is that right? Yeah. Okay, great. That'll be fine. Right. So let's kick off. Typically, I'm going to steal the time, Carrie. I'm going to do a little bit of me.
Okay.
There's reasons why I wanted to do a Noson. We're at this kind of lockdown time, and hopefully this poem gives some idea of what I'm missing. The slow, heavy foot-placed step to the borough is made with ease. The air, though city-drenched, is lighter and infused with the beat of music played out on a driver's seat organ. The occasional held note stuck for a musing refrain. There is the worn warmth of history here, the years of singing of the language of heaven, spoken, prayed, chorally worked through the book's numbered tunes, the bards of revival, somber and firm. From these pews, the milk of life flowed through the city to unite with culture and expectation, to drive home the wealth hard-earned from these pews, the love of home replayed, remembered, retold, to inspire the hiraeth, the swell of passion for all we are together. From these pews, the road to Steddfodau, rekindled in the city's finest, London and Welsh proud. The borough's market and streets, our stage and home, turning this town red when we can, planting our leeks and dragons on any listener's sense of awe, to marvel and always want to be a part of who we are, welcomed. There we are. There we are. That gives some kind of sort of feeling to why I'm desperate to be doing a kind of Noson now. I'm very emotional. Carrie and I have both agreed there are moments in the items we've gone through where tears have been flowing, we've been blubbing. So yeah. I know it's not easy, and I'm hoping that this evening is a chance for us to be who we are as best we can without physically being together. And I've got the fabulous Carrie, who in the last minute, everyone, you need to give her a massive, huge cheer now if you can, has kind of agreed to pick up the mantle that our little Thomas TPJ has had to drop because he had some work commitments that he couldn't get out of. Anyway,
so
now,
he says.
Is there anyone in the waiting room I can talk to, Carrie?
There is.
Oh, right, let's get them in. Yay! Hello. Whoa, Bex. Are you on mute, my darling? Sorry, that's very male, isn't it, my darling? I'll make sure I say my darling, Carrie, to the boys as well.
Yeah,
hello, Bex.
Do that.
How are you,
Hi,
darling?
I'm very well. It's so good to be back and seeing everyone. I'm so excited for tonight.
Oh, it's brilliant. It's brilliant. Thank you so much for letting us access to this kind of clip and just memories of old times. This is what we're missing.
Yeah, this was quite a funny one as well, because I actually remember the night so well. And I remember going in and only learning the song the day before and saying to Sean, I don't know my words. I really need you to remember these 3 words. And one of them was sensation. And that is the one point in the song I got stuck, and she shouted from the audience, sensation. And then I started up again.
I thought she was praising your performance because, I mean, we were all kind of giving the odd comments. Oh, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I remember it well. I think it was me who actually filmed it. So
yes,
yeah,
it was.
Yeah. Brilliant. How are you doing, doll? We've all missed you.
Yeah, I feel quite emotional as well, actually. I really miss Côr Y Boro, and I think about Côr Y Boro all the time. If you were rehearsing on a Wednesday, I would be there, but I'm only in London Wednesday and Thursday nights, so I am gutted, but hopefully I can come back for special occasions.
Oh, yes. Well, you are always part of us, all. You know that. And once a Borough, always a Borough. So Bex, do you mind if we go and play that song now? And it's so lovely to see you, and enjoy the rest of the evening, doll. It's really lovely to be here. Thank you. Love you.
Everyone, love you.
I'm a bit embarrassed calling all that Welshness because mine is nothing to do with the Welsh, but I am Welsh. I beg you to tell me, have you ever seen a little Welsh lady sing a Harry Belafonte song?
Yes.
On a ukulele? Okay, right, I'm going to do a jump in the line. Hope you enjoy it. My friend's name is Sonora. I tell you, friends, I adore her. And when she dances, oh brother, she's a hurricane in all kinds of weather. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Shake, 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 Sonora, shake your body line. Work, 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 Sonora, work it all the time. I can talk about cha-cha, tango, waltz, or the rumba. Sonora's dance has no title, but jump onto the saddle, hold on to the bridle, jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Shake, 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 Sonora, shake your body line. Work, 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 Sonora, work it all the time. aviation. Fellas, you better watch it. When she wind up, she bottom, she go like a rocket. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Shake, 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 Sonora, shake your body line. Work, 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 Sonora, work it all the time. Sonora dances calypso, and left to right is the tempo. And left to right is the tempo. I've forgotten the words. Can anyone else remember? Ah, thank you. And when she gets the sensation, she goes up in the air and comes down in slow motion. Then she jumps in the line, rocks her body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Shake, 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 Sonora, shake your body line. Work, 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 Sonora, work it all the time. I say, work it all the time. Okay, work it all the time. Oh, shake, 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 Sonora. Thank you.
The sublime Bex Thomas. Oh man, we really do miss her. And that, I think we can only go downhill from here, sadly. I think so. Oh no, well, maybe not. Maybe not, Carrie. I don't know.
Maybe not. I think we
What
might
we need
be
is
all right.
some kind of classic male voices. That's what we probably need. Yeah. I
Yeah.
mean, I'm pushing you here because I know you don't agree with me. But coming
I
up,
could try, but
you can try. Coming up is they're two London Welsh boys. The younger one, just birthday this week. I'm not going to tell anyone that. But the younger one, Dewi, was the reason I joined Côr Y Boro, bless him. So I have nothing but love and respect, and you know he's the one who got me along to Borough. And the other guy, a little bit older, Geraint, is probably one of the greatest singers in London Welsh male voice choir and all the other choirs he's involved with. A great presence, a great lover of Borough, and has supported us in concerts. And I believe we've got a clip of them singing in one of our concerts.
yeah.
Fabulous. This is Pwy Fydd Yma, I believe it's called.
Pwy fydd yma'n hen canmlynedd, pwy fydd yma'n dyblu'r gan, pwy fydd yma'n haffaio hen a lawan gwalia lan, pwy fydd yma'n adroddau, a webau'n rhaid coliau ni. Pwy fydd yma'n cyfansoddi a ddewod braint y bryd. Pwy fydd yma'n darllen penod, pwy fydd yma'n dymed gair, pwy fydd yma'n efengylu ac yn sôn am fab a mair. Pwy fydd yma'n ystyddau, pwy fydd yma'n gadair fawr, pwy fydd yma'n gorweledi gyda chen a dŵr i lawr. Pwy fydd yma'n torri'r bara, pwy fydd yma'n rannu'r byd, pwy fydd yma'n edifeiriol, cefn Duw a'n gwlad i glir. Pwy fydd yma'n hen canmlynedd, a'n bywyd a'i
I mean, seriously? Those voices. Every time I'm with them, every time I see them perform, I've always got to try and get the clip of them. Just wonderful.
Love
And
that song.
I mean, Carrie, you know them both fairly well as well. The way they support each other and just the quality of the duet. There's not one taking over from the other. All the support and everything, just sublime. I'm going to use that word a lot because it's a very. If I say sublime, it means I can't think of anything ever better than that. To be honest, yeah. So are we in a waiting room with somebody?
We are. Hang on, let me get him in.
Lovely. Yay.
Yay.
Shemai Aled. You're right. You're on a mute, my young man. I'm going to say it's a typical Zoom thing. And you're on mute. Oh, can't hear you. Can't hear you. Are you able to unmute yourself or do we need to?
No, I managed to find it finally.
So, Aled, I mean, what you're doing now is the kind of thing I aspire to. You know, the ability to write so perfectly. Tell us a bit about the poem. Aled's going to read us a poem in Welsh. I've just asked him to give us some kind of, obviously, a chance for us English files to at least have some understanding of what it's about. Aled.
Well, it was basically just after the excitement of our kind of success in the Eisteddfod in 2019. After some very loud celebrations in the hostel after, I couldn't sleep that evening and decided to put some words down, probably inspired by yours truly, Mark.
You're very kind.
Just put some words down, put some verses together, and this is what came out of it. Really, it's just it just mentions that our story, our small choir, making a big impact on the big stage in Wales.
Oh, fabulous, fabulous. Well, do you mind if we listen to it then?
Go for it. Yeah.
Cheers, Aled. Enjoy the evening back. Diolch yn fawr.
Helo bawb, dyma ambell I bennill dwi'n galw'n antif Llanrwst. Just a few verses of something I wrote after our adventure in Llanrwst in the Eisteddfod. I babell enwocaf Cymru, daeth criw i'r Big Smoke I ganu, a dangos i'r famwlad bod ysbryd ein hendad yn fyw ymhell o Sir Conwy. Fel cwffio trwy ffyn yr henrygedd, cafom deimlo gwefr yr anrhydedd, o gael bod ar y llwyfan I ganu ein 500, a chipio un safle'n uwch na llynedd. Daeth ein salwch corona eleni, a rhwystro ein gallu I ganu, ond diolch I Dduw, da ni yma fel criw, yn cael Noson Lawen I ddathlu. Pan daw Steddfod yn ôl i'r llwyfan, gofym deithiwn am perfformiad yn hedfan. Fe gyrwn y drum tra'n canu diga-diga-dym cyn dod â'r gwpan i'r Borough yn Llundain. Diolch.
Fabulous, fabulous. Diolch yn fawr iawn, Aled. That was absolutely, seriously, if I could begin to write like that, I'd be more than happy. My verse is just plain. It's just, there's no rhyming or anything, nothing clever. But that's fabulous. Wonderful. Right, are we still waiting room?
Yes.
Excellent.
Coming in now.
Fabulous. I mean, from one amazing individual talent to another amazing individual talent. I'm getting sick. Actually, Carrie, let's just forget this one. Let's just go to my bits if you don't mind, yeah? Could that be all right?
No, this is the cutest thing ever.
Man,
we're not doing it.
All right, okay. And are you able to talk to us, good boy? I think we've got a mute situation going on. There we are, there we are. Shall I end after you?
I was hoping Aled got that one out of the way for me. Yeah, all good here, thanks guys. Yeah, great start, amazing.
No, I'm enjoying it. It's good. Tell us something about it.
What's That?
Tell us something about your song.
It's it's a song I wrote when I first came to London, 15 years ago now. It was just when I was starting to discover London, really. The kind of city was opening up in front of me, and if I could bring it to today's kind of situation, I guess I would just say I hope that when we do all get to go out again, that London will feel that exciting again, where we can just do what we want when we want. And I was a little bit younger then, but just that freedom of being on my bike in London and enjoy myself, really.
Absolutely, it really does come across. I mean, I know Carrie wants this, and we both want in the kind of idea of we know what we're missing, and let's show off what we're missing. And it's getting harder and harder and harder. I'm finding this particular lockdown the hardest, I have to say. And this night is a chance for me to. I don't know how cathartic it's going to be, but certainly to share this kind of feelings. And Aled won, and you now, and obviously having Bex and Dewi and
it's already been amazing. I'm looking forward to listening to Aled's poem back, because obviously I have to come through to the kitchen. But it's brilliant, isn't it? I mean, just me personally, just had this Noson Lawen's given me a bit of a kick in the panel to kind of get my guitar back down again, and give it a bit of a wash. And it's been a long time, so just even on a personal note, having these Noson Lawen's has really just given me a bit of a push, to be honest, to get a couple of personal projects on the go.
Yeah, well, let's listen to your song. Diolch yn fawr iawn, and
diolch, guys. Ciao.
It's your side of life that made me hum in bed, and it's your side of life, well, it made me drive through red.
Yep, yep.
I have a poo here.
It's all right.
Best ending of a video ever.
Was that not just the best? Absolutely. Oh, Endav and family, just brilliant. So I see we've got certainly a new member, if not two there. They're absolutely wonderful. Brilliant. Right, are we waiting room
Who am I
populated?
now?
I think
Oh, yeah.
Lucy. Is Lucy with
Oh,
us?
yeah. Miss
Fabulous.
Morgan. Miss Morgan is in the house.
Oh, Miss Morgan's in the house. Iawn. Noswaith Miss Morgan? Oh,
It's
I think we're on mute, are we? Yes. Let's have a look.
I think I set it up so everyone automatically goes on mute when they come in, just in case there was any
Well,
like,
swearing mainly.
early entries, whatever.
Lucy is potty mouth. I mean, everyone knows that. So Lucy, take us through this. It's a little clip. Take us through what this is and what the kind of stuff you're doing that if any of us are not aware of, please.
Well, obviously Sound of Music is one of my favourite films, and then I heard about Christopher Plummer sadly passing away, and I thought I'd crack out some of the classic tunes from Sound of Music.
Brilliant. But it's such a short clip because that's the format you like, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, absolutely. I mean, I'm screaming for more every time. More. What's going on? Yeah. And how are you, Dol? You're on half term.
Half term, yeah. So all is good.
Yeah. I mean, I assume you're preparing lessons and stuff still.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is just a few minutes out of your schedule to.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, a few minutes.
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. And things are good?
Yes, all is good. Yeah, just to the usual.
Have you been into school in the last few weeks, or have you? Oh, there we are.
Derek.
There we are. Derek with a human hand. Can we wave the hands, Rob? Nice to see. Oh, the paws. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. And I gather you have wares as well, Miss Morgan.
Yes, Welsh bandanas and hairbands. So you can
I know very well. I'm looking forward to mine.
Yes.
He's got a better wardrobe than I have.
Yes. Derek, give us a song, Derek. Come on, I know you do sing.
He's a fan of opera. He's not...
Oh, bless him. So, Lucy, do you mind if we play your clip and I'll hopefully talk to you a bit later about something else that you and I and some others got involved with. So,
perfect.
Great. Enjoy the evening and speak to you later. Love you, Derek. Love you, Rob.
Bye.
Bye.
Edelweiss, every morning you greet me, small and white, clean and bright, you look happy to meet me. Blossom of snow, may you bloom and grow forever. Edelweiss, bless my homeland forever.
Wonderful. Oh, bless. Short and sweet. Yes, Christopher Plummer. I know somebody else in this household is a big fan of The Sound of Music. I watched it for the first time all the way through a few weeks ago, so I'm beginning to understand.
How has it taken you that many years to watch it? God.
Well, let's not get into musicals and musical theatre and all that kind of stuff. Let's not get into that. I'm not a very nice person when it comes to it. But I like the uniforms. I remember The Sound of Music. I shouldn't really say that, but yes, yeah. So are we still waiting roomed?
We have Ross.
Oh, wonderful!
Coming in.
He's very nervous, so I just hope that we can all be nice to him. He's a shy, retiring young man. I know he finds it very difficult. Hey. How are you? How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Yes, I'm.
How's
Wales
Newport?
at the moment.
How is Newport? I think we may have a delay here. How's Newport going on?
Newport is as fantastic as always. Everyone should visit when they are allowed.
I cannot believe how you have revolutionized Newport for me. You've really turned it around. I now do have I have a love of Newport, and it's almost entirely due to, I mean, obviously Beck's deciding to take herself there as well, as added to it. But
when she came on the screen, I thought she's only down the road actually from me. So,
oh, I thought she was just in the other room. Oh, okay.
I mean, I'm in the nicer part of
Obviously.
Well, Ross, listen, I love these parts of the evening. Carrie and I are just going to drop out and let you carry on, young man, if that's all right.
Yeah, I might need your help just a moment, Mark.
Okay, okay.
I heard you talking at the start about how, you know, you wish we were all together and stuff, and I can see the Borough Chapel behind you there on your screen. And I was thinking that the current Borough Chapel opened for services on February the 23rd, I think it was 1873, which means that next week, by my reckoning, it's 148 years, but your maths is probably better than mine.
It certainly isn't.
So I thought I would dedicate a little poem to the chapel, which is
bless you, bless you. Well, the screen is yours, and at any point you want us to come back, just ask for me, and I'll see. I might go off and do some painting though, is that?
All right, fair enough.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Ross Clark.
Okay, everyone. So this is called In the Shadow of the Shard. There is a little chapel in the shadow of the shard. Yellow bricks and whitewashed stone and railings there to guard. With 2 blue doors to come or go, choose one way or the other. A big sign soaring high above proudly says, the Borough. It opened for divine service in 1873. And became a home to Welshmen, their families, and their chosen deity. Many have passed through its doors, politicians, teachers, and bards, in that precious little chapel in the shadow of the shard. There are friends from all over, from north, south, far and near. There's even one from Newport, because all are welcome here. You'll meet cousins, brothers, nines, and many a mam or tad, in the friendly little chapel in the shadow of the shard. It really is a family with gatherings joyous and merry. Even chapel services get tipsy using consecrated sherry. Perhaps this quirky nature is its calling card in this pretty little chapel in the shadow of the shard. If you're singing, dancing, or praying, nobody will mind. Just remember to commit no nuisance in the alleyway behind. Watchful eyes from heaven are the best security guard in this blessed little chapel in the shadow of the shard. Whenever there's a party, when a festival comes around, you'll find you won't go hungry, as fresh Welsh cakes will abound. Cakes and pastries filled with love and sugar, butter and lard in the generous little chapel in the shadow of the shard. It has a famous choir who are rather good indeed, angelic at the Eisteddfod, and in the pub, yma o hyd. Borough is no stranger to a rousing gwlad gwlad in that tuneful little chapel in the shadow of the shard. I've heard a rumour there's a dragon underneath the hallowed floor, and when the voices rise in song, it joins them with a roar of pride for those inside, over whom it safely guards, in the sleepy little chapel, in the shadow of the shard. Now, if you find you cannot visit, close your eyes and dream real hard, and feel its bright light surround you, never shadowed by the shard. Thank you very much, Diolch yn fawr.
Mr. Clark, oh man. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
I didn't you up, Mark, but you know, somebody had to.
Oh, that's superb. I'm going to make it a life mission to get that chiseled into stone somewhere in the Borough Chapel.
Next
Ross,
to the commit no nuisance sign, I think.
Yes. I'm sure those of us who love that chapel. Yeah, that was superb. Thank you so much.
No worries. You do a great job, both.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you. And enjoy the evening. That was superb. Thank you. All right.
Bye.
Diolch yn fawr, Ross.
Bye.
Anyone else waiting? Oh, that was amazing.
That was really good.
Right. Kerry, between you and me, that seriously was amazing. And also, you talked about Welsh cakes. I mean, two of your Welsh cakes and his, I can't split them. Seriously. Obviously, when I'm with you, yours are the best. And when I'm with Ross, yours still are the best. But obviously, I can't tell him that.
I mean, whoever's the nearest to my mouth are the best at the
that's
time.
right. Yeah, absolutely. So, have we got someone waiting for us?
We do.
Fabulous. Yeah. Sianed, is your mum there? It's mum I want to talk to more than you, to be honest. Is that right?
I think Mum's listening too. Yeah.
Brilliant. How are you?
I'm good. It's lovely to see you both.
Oh, it's lovely to see you. Thank you so much.
Poem.
Yeah, I know. Whoa. What poets we have. The lovely thing is that I feel that I was a kind of trailblazer for the poetry, and now I'm being left behind in smoke. The worst thing is, I mean, Aled, I understand, because obviously there's weight and quality there. Ross, on the other hand, Newport, it's not right. Good things coming out of Newport, it's not right. I mean, when I said to him I'll get it chiseled into stone in the chat, it was merely as an example of what not to do. There we are. Yeah. Anyway, Shauna, sorry, enough of Ross. How are you, Bach? You're right.
Yeah, all good here. Thank you.
Oh, this is a highlight for me, what's coming up, what you've done. Thank you so much. Do you want to tell us anything about it?
There's not too much to say. It's not a perfect performance, but yeah, it's a song called Misty, and it's a song from the 50s. It's a jazz piece that I'm trying to play on the harp. So it's a bit different to like your traditional Welsh harpy pieces. So I thought it'd be a good excuse to try and give it a go. Yeah,
it is fabulous. And the beautiful thing is for Kerry and me is because we have the clips, we will have them forever.
I know.
So, yes. Shauna, do you remember this? Back in 21, remember? Anyway, do you mind if we play it then, Bach?
Go for it, yeah.
Lovely. Enjoy the evening. Nice
Thanks
to see
for
you.
hosting, guys. See you later.
Pleasure. Bye.
Bye.
Sublime. I just came up with that word, sublime. Absolutely.
You haven't used that before.
I don't think I have. I think it's a new word. I think I may have actually made it up. Yes. Thank you so much, Fiona. That's fabulous. Now I'm being encroached on. So yeah, there we are.
Hello.
Yeah.
See, you don't need any waiting rooms. I'm here. I don't get to sit in a waiting room. It's fine.
So Rachel, tell us why you're on the screen now.
Thanks. Well, because we are up next. So yes.
I feel like I should be interviewing now, but I haven't thought of anything to say. So carry on.
So what are we doing?
Well, I think we put this together because we recognise that lots of things have been really tough in lockdown, but mainly just really missing all the people and the places that we love. So yeah, we thought we put this song together. It speaks to that, and yeah, we asked different members of our lovely corps to send us pictures as well that represent those people and those places. So yeah, if you did put your tissues away, maybe you should get them back out.
Yeah, I was going to say, I've already seen this. You don't put the tissues away. Just don't.
It's not the effect I wanted. I wanted laughter and ridicule. But there we are. Yeah. No, this gone through my mind and sharing with Rachel and so on the need for some kind of expression of what I'm missing. And I was aware that, well, we're all going through it, so I give people a chance to express it through a photograph. And I stipulated, well, Carrie, you're one of the people who gives a photo, and I stipulated I didn't want anyone in it, as in anyone from the choir, to be recognised. So let's see if it works. Shall we play it?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
See the changes that have come over me. These past few days I've been afraid I might drift away. So I've been telling old stories, singing old songs that make me think about where I've come from. And that's the reason why I seem so far away today. Let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, now I'm going home. If I should become a stranger, know that it would be more than sad. Caledonia's been everything I ever had.
Fiona blends in Arfym yn wes Cyd a chanes a dyw hon. Rhaid iau mam sy'n dim amdanat, cariad mam sy'n dan fy mron. Ni gadig am hari contin, ni na indin a ddidam, hyd yn Llawen, awyr blentyn, un yn fwy a bronder.
Through the points that I've needed proven, lost the friends that needed losing, made others on the way. I've kissed the boys, left them crying, stolen dreams, there's no denying. I've lived my life with conscience flying somewhere in the wind. Let me tell you that I love you, and then think about you all the time. Caledonia, you brought me, now I'm going home. If I should become a stranger, know that it isn't more than time. Caledonia's in everything I ever had. Caledonia's in everything I ever had.
Right. So let's get some borough singing, I think. Please, Carrie.
Yeah, I'm lost now. I don't even know where we are in the blooming list. Right.
This is the one that's going to get me blubbing. Vox Cubana. Yeah, no, it's okay. I can't say anything. Sorry.
Both doing so well. Oh dear. All right.
Thank you, everyone who sent the photos in. And sorry for those I didn't get round to. I said that's the one that gets me. That is what I miss, Carrie. That's our choir.
It certainly is.
Yeah, brilliant, absolutely brilliant. And I love the fact that individually, we're all kind of nervous and a bit shy. Well, some of us, but to see the movement on stage is just brilliant.
Some great dancing there.
Well, yes, all choreographed. We're seeing some comments through some of the messengers and stuff, and all lies and things, but that's okay. Yeah, movement. Yeah, I mean, I'm lucky. I have that kind of body that just kind of naturally moves. Even when I stop, it's still moving. And hey, if you have it, you have to put it out there, don't you? Really?
You do.
Ah, dear. Seriously, tears. So, have we got our guests waiting?
We do.
Fabulous.
Comes.
Very special. Very special.
Maybe.
Yay.
Yay.
Yay. Oh, wonderful. Hello, Fiona.
Hello. Hi, everyone.
Enjoying it?
Loving it. Oh, my God. I'm so intimidated now. I just want to go and hide under the bed after hearing all the talent going on and all the great people. So,
no, having you here is brilliant. It's brilliant to have you here, Dol. And I'm really looking forward to this next piece. So tell us a little bit about it.
Okay. Well, I'm going to start with an apology. It's not the piece I meant to be doing. When I first found out there was a Noson Lawen, I asked my mum if she could write a poem. She likes to write little poems, just kind of stuff to entertain the family and neighbours and friends. And she was delighted, and she started writing a poem about us, the choir, about things we've done on St David's Day, all our adventures. I think number 10 and Larry the cat got a mention in there. Unfortunately, a few weeks ago, she had quite a bad fall. And she's not recovered yet, and so the poem isn't finished. However, she says she'll get it for us next time, so there's something to look forward to.
Absolutely.
Because I have no discernible talent, and I didn't want to sit here and read you the latest metals market update for the day, I've decided to read another one of her poems. It's one she wrote earlier last year, actually, during the first phase of lockdown, when we all sat in our homes wondering what to do. And she wrote it having watched people in the house next door going in and out, having visitors, kind of ignoring the rules. And so in her frustration, she put pen to paper and came up with this.
Oh, wonderful. Well, please take it away.
I will do. A year ago, I reached your shore to prey on your weak, your sick, and your poor. You now just think I'll go away? Well, more fool you. I'm here to stay. To mother, father, son, daughter, don't wash your hands with soap and water. Just meet your mates and hit the town. I cannot wait to hunt you down. You crowd in parks and on the beach. You think you're safe beyond my reach? Well, quite the opposite is true, as I'll be coming home with you. I'll leave you well, so have no fear, but I'll take your old, your frail, your dear. So get together, break the rules. I'll join your party, you hopeless fools. Princes, politicos, rich and poor have all welcomed me through their door. So be like them and do as you like. After all, it's your human right. Believe the rumours, ignore the Queen. Just say no to that silly vaccine. I'll visit you soon and come unseen. Sincerely yours, COVID-19.
Ah, superb. Ah, Fiona, wonderful writing. Bless her. I'm looking forward to the poem she's written about us. That'd be fabulous.
I know, it'll be a bit jollier than that.
Oh, well, no, I'm a great believer that poetry speaks and has to speak at all different levels. Hence, that's why I managed to get out the rubbish I do. Oh, Dol, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yep, and we'll speak to you a little bit later on with an item coming up in a few minutes' time.
Great.
Thanks, Fiona. Love you, Dol. Bye. So, have we got anyone waiting for us?
No, I don't think he's made it.
Has he not?
Oh no, I like it just as I speak.
Whoa, fabulous. Is he there?
Good.
Here he is he? Carrie James, people, that's what we were just waiting for. He was telling us he was having issues with links and so on.
Oh.
So, yep, there we are.
Yay!
Just the audio coming through. It's the Crystal Palace TV mast. It's such a powerful thing. It's burning up his connection. Well, we can wave at you, Carrie, anyway. That'd be quite a nice thing to do.
Sign
okay?
language.
Sign
Number
language.
4.
Carrie, what I was going to ask you about, what we're going to watch, it's your latest single or latest release, which I absolutely love, and it's doing the rounds on Facebook, and it's been played on air and stuff on different radio stations. The question I have for you, Carrie, is in the video of it that we're going to see, oh, we're losing you. In the video that we're going to see, there's a cartoon, and could you just tell us about who was it who put the cartoon together and the idea behind it, please? If you can talk to us. Otherwise, sign language is good.
I think it might be sign language.
It might be sign language.
No.
No? Oh, that's a shame. Well, I can tell people the guy who did the cartoon is a guy called Dominic Anglem, who's a really, really lovely lad, does radio broadcast acting, has been in a few films and so on. I know, and Kerry put me in touch with him, and I've done some work with him, some poetry, which has been brilliant. If any of you did catch my radio broadcast a while back, it was Dominic's show, and he put the cartoon together. Kerry, I'm so sorry that we can't actually hear you, but if you want to just do some rude gestures, then that's absolutely fine. Kerry, I think we're going to play your video, and maybe if we get a chance to talk to you later, or if not, we'll talk to you in the after show party where all the booze will be open and drunk. Love you very much, Kerry, and we'll play your video. This is Carrie James with Another Chance. Sit back and enjoy.
Shut down the power in this town, so I'm calling home to try and touch base. We've never seen anything like this. It would be so good if I could see your face. If I could write happy endings, you know I'd write this one for you. Oh, you've got my heart breaking. Will I get another chance to see you? The daily news is like a horror show. The people want someone to blame. I'm writing letters like I used to. Now tell me, will things ever be the same? If I could write happy endings, you know I'd write one for you. Oh, you've got my heart breaking. And will I get another chance to see you? Like a play of biblical proportions, lives and dreams are shattered without sound. Will you live on in memory? Or will I get to see you somehow? If I could write happy endings, you know I'd write this one for you. Oh, you got my heart breaking. And will I get another chance to see you? Will I get another chance to see you? Will I get another chance to see you?
I just absolutely love Carrie. I love his music. I always have been a big fan from the get-go, the moment I met him. And he's so generous as well. He's got people like me and Bex and Tom involved with things. And the quality of some of his songs is outrageous. And he allows us to kind of gate crash his gigs and join in. And he's very keen on, on people being involved and stuff. And it's just sad to see this little blank screen below me with his name stuck in the corner. But Carrie, thank you so much. I absolutely love that song, and listen to his new album if you've got a chance, people. There's some amazing things, the Carrie we know and love. So we're on to a big thing now, aren't we? Have we got some people waiting for us?
We do.
All right, let's let them in. Let's let them in.
Coming in.
Are these all Welsh people? Are they? Yeah. Oh, I love. Well, there's an entrance.
I think Rydian's given up and.
Why is Rydian joining us? We don't want Rydian with us. Hi, Rydian, not part of this. Go away. You're too early.
You invited me in a bit early. I'll leave.
Yeah, you're right. I just admitted everybody that was in the waiting room.
Well, we got the most important person. Lucy, explain to us what this next thing coming up is and where it came from and so on.
So I love a bit of social media. Those of you that know me know that. And I was loving the sea shanty trend. So I thought it was a great opportunity for us to do something as Côr Y Boro. And some lovely people got involved. And thank you to you, Mark, for the lyrics. And we put something together. It was a great team effort. And yeah.
Well, I'd like to take credit for the lyrics, but I think that the credit should be taken by somebody who's actually trying to get out of the room at the moment.
Oh, yeah.
Come here and say hello.
Hello again. Lucy, you definitely deserve all the credit for this one. It's a fab idea. I hope everyone really enjoys it.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you for putting it together, Lucy. It was brilliant. We all did our easy bits, and all of a sudden, you went away. It only took you about 10 minutes, though, didn't it? Is that right? Yeah.
It was a distraction.
Yeah, it was superb. Was Derek involved?
Derek was involved. Yeah, I tried to get him dressed up as a sailor, but he was having none of it.
Well, we've seemed to have great success with it going on social media and stuff, and the feel good from it is just brilliant. Exactly. And we've had some important names in our world of Hugh Edwards and people like that have actually made comments, which is and Sean who is it, the weather girl. Sean Lloyd, which is, it's nice for us. I mean, I just need you guys to enjoy things. I'm not too fussed. Obviously, getting people like Ross Clark and Lucy Morgan involved in anything is always the top things. But yeah. But Ennav was with us. He sang the tenor. Rachel sang the alto. You and Fiona were on the soprano, and I tried to do some bass lines to it. But thank you so much, Lisa. It's one of the best things to have been involved with, and the time we took to turn it around. So thank you so much for your endeavours. And I'm hoping that this will show that, what Borough can do. And, we've got an amazing few months ahead of us in lockdown if we can produce these kind of things. And when we get back together, my goodness, just the thought of being in the same room and singing. Sorry, I'm talking too much. Yeah. Shall we play it?
Let's do it.
Okay. Thanks, Derek. Love you. Bye.
We're heading east to London town
To see
seek my fortune here around.
And then you advise that I see
But I made my home in Borough. Blood, blood, Carrie, land of my fathers dear to me. Blood, blood, unworthy me, there's no English word for here. I wear my red and sing out proud, singing out with Borough. Blood, blood, Carrie, land of my fathers dear to me. Blood, blood, unworthy me, there's no English word for here.
Noson Lawen, harp,
Welsh kings, poets, and harpists,
cooks and hunters, all that's
the whole of Wales in Borough. Blood, blood, Carrie, land of my fathers dear to me. Blood, blood, unworthy me, there's no English word for here.
That was such fun to do. That really was such fun to do. And
Marvellous work.
Yeah, and great. You know, I mean, I know that just the turnaround is superb that put it together. And thanks to everyone involved. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Very lucky to be involved with that. So anyone in the waiting room? I mean, I know you crept in early, but is Verity with us? Do we know?
No, she hasn't
bless
made
her.
it, unfortunately.
No, she's stuck at work. So
Yeah.
we love you, Verity. Hopefully, if you catch this, and maybe next time we can put your items into the show. So have we got the man himself there?
Let's let him back. Let's let him in properly.
Let's let him in. I don't want to talk to him, to be honest. It's just embarrassing. He's so handsome, rugged, and look at him. He's dressed for
Back
the part.
again.
So, Rivian, do you want to say anything about what you're about to do, or do you want us to just let you get on with it?
Well, I think it's worth saying, given we've got a pandemic on, we're going to be dispensing some medical advice at the end of the programme. So I've just tuned in for that, really, just to, a bit of a public health message, deliver that to the people.
Yeah, that'll be great. All right, okay. So shall we let you get on with your bit then?
Yeah, go on then.
All right.
I'll just go for it. Yeah.
Yes.
So you've probably heard about this thing called COVID-19, which is causing a few problems around the world. And the great news recently that there's vaccines now available, which is great. But there's another medication which you might not have heard about, but it's got a lot of potential to do some good. So I'm going to tell you a bit about it and why you should think about maybe taking this as well as a vaccine. The drug's called paracetamol-bendroneomycin. There's a bit of repetition in the song, so feel free to join in if you'd like. It might be to a tune that you might recognise. Paracetamol-bendroneomycin. It's our brand new wonder drug we think you'll find enticing. Paracetamol-bendroneomycin. Diddle-diddle-diddle-lie. The NHS has 20,000 different drugs to take. So we thought, what could we produce to give you all a break? A drug that can treat anything from leprosy to SARS, and you can give it in the mouth, IV, or up the arse. It's paracetamol-bendroneomycin. Paracetamol-bendroneomycin. It can cure the common cold and being struck by lightning. Paracetamol-bendroneomycin. Diddle-diddle-lie. We tested it on animals and none of them survived. But that's okay, because when we wrote the paper up, we lied. It's first choice for MIMS and even for ME and COPD, HIV, PE and DVT. Paracetamol-bendroneomycin. Paracetamol-bendroneomycin. It reverses impotence and makes you good at fighting. Paracetamol-bendroneomycin. Diddle-diddle-lie. Now, there are some minor side effects and some are not that rare, like nausea, vomiting and losing all your hair, and heart attacks, becoming gay and growing extra breasts, but it's bloody cheap and hey, this is the NHS. Paracetamol-bendroneomycin. Paracetamol-bendroneomycin. There are cures for everything from AIDS to pubic lice in paracetamol-bendroneomycin. Diddle-diddle-lie. Paracetamol-bendroneomycin. We make it from the cerebellar cortex of a bison. After that, it undergoes some polygenic splicing. Paracetamol-bendroneomycin. Diddle-diddle-lie. Paracetamol-bendroneomycin. It makes you smart as Einstein and as muscular as Tyson. The Minister of Health, we hear, will shortly be advising Take paracetamol, bendroniamycin.
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you. What I love is I never know how on the edge you're going to be and whether you're going to cross the line. And I'd like to think you have. I'd like to think you
that's
have.
the cleaned up version. There was a joke about ricin that I thought we're not quite past the watershed yet. So
all I'd ask is not so late next time, please. That was brilliant. Thank you so much. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
My pleasure.
Enjoy. We're coming towards the end, so we're gonna get somebody else in on us now. Thank you.
Yeah.
That was brilliant.
Oh, that was brilliant.
Hey, Teeps, man, how are you? Oh, and you're at work. That's a different background.
Maybe it's a good job I am doing the tech.
Here we go. Yeah, I'm on. Well, that's the thing. I'm having to use the iPad tonight because I haven't got Zoom on work computers. But here I am. Hello.
Hello. So, what have you seen? Have you seen any of the show?
I've seen the whole thing pretty much. I've been doing some work in between, but yeah,
Any notes?
I definitely wouldn't have been able to host. No notes whatsoever. Good. You've been doing a great job. I must say, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, everyone. Because you're obviously watching on YouTube, do subscribe to Côr Y Boro's YouTube channel because it helps the channel out immensely.
No, that's good. I'm really rubbish at that kind of thing. I barely remember to tell Rachel that the Noson Lawen was tonight. You know, I'm hopeless. Yeah. Right, Tom. Tell us about what your Sarah Wynne, bless her, has been involved with work and so on. So she's not really at a place where she can talk to us. So tell us this item, please.
Yeah. So this was a piece that Sarah Wynne approached me a while before to say we should do a duet. And she played me the song. We were at the Lord Clyde, and she got the song up on her phone, and I listened to it, and I thought, this is perfect. We have to do this. I'd only heard the one song from this musical. It's from Wicked. I'd only heard one or two songs from it before this, and I thought, this is great. And we spent a little while in Aled's car on the way back from Betsacoid after the Eisteddfod practicing it. But no, we really gave it our all. And I tell you what, though, I couldn't hit some of those high notes anymore. Well, that one high note.
Yeah, well, that's what we're missing. I tell you, it will come back when James gets us all back together, and he can get some warm-ups and some beautiful. I mean, we're doing some amazing music online. For those of you who are unable to come to rehearsals, James is putting us through some paces. Bless him. I do feel we're going to have a few weeks of just kind of catching up with what we've done on our own and realizing, oh my goodness. But yeah,
I think I'm better off singing the tenor line now. My high notes have definitely gone in the last year. I don't think I'm soprano anymore.
I've always thought of you as a tenor, to be honest. Yeah. I want to be a tenor as well, but Tom won't let me in.
You're more of a fiver, Mark.
Oh dear. So Tom, shall we play this piece? What's it called?
Yes, please. It's called As Long As You're Mine. It's from the musical Wicked, and I hope everyone enjoys it. It was a lot of fun to practice.
Seeing through the friends I future for us as a pair. And no, I may know, I don't care, just for this moment, as long as you're mine, come be how you want to, see how bright we shine, for the moonlight, until it is through. And no worry here, holding you, as long as you're
Absolutely wonderful. Diolch yn fawr, Sarah Wynn and Tom. Absolutely fabulous. Not a massive fan of musicals, but that will stand out for me, and I'll look forward to playing that clip over and over again. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're at that point where we have done everything. We just need to somehow finish this thing. We are going to carry on this Zoom page. I don't know if people have the details, Carrie.
I will post the link when I'm finished in the chat on the YouTube chat thing.
Yeah,
people know
perfect.
what I mean.
And what we're going to do is we're going to stop recording the Zoom thing as well, aren't we? So that people don't feel, because it did.
Yes.
I'm aware that we're recording at the moment, so we'll stop that at the end. Obviously, we do have to, bookmark this, bookend it with the anthem. So I think are you ready to play it?
There was a bit of a problem before.
No, we sorted it. It's fine. We'll play.
Okay.
We'll play the anthem. Yeah. Okay.
Right, yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen,
go for it.
The National Anthem of Wales, if you'd be upstanding. Good night, and love you all very much. I love you, Carrie.
I think we have a problem.
What?
I don't think that's the right.
Oh my goodness! I'm so sorry. Have you got it? Play it. Just play it. Play it.
Yeah, right.
Play it. Well done, Carrie. Thank you.
Night, everyone.